Yes, brother.
For sure. I hear you.
Okay. 1 second. Yes, brother.
Today I get the paper today. Now I will start because where we are going now, it's like now we are doing deep learning.
Oh my God. deep,
Yeah, so
deep
I
learning.
get the paper now. Yeah, deep
Oh.
learning. Yeah, it's deep learning.
Oh.
So I have to highlight something.
Okay, brother. Keep it up. Best of luck, brother. You are very, very intelligent, brother. You are like me.
Yeah, thanks. I
Yeah.
appreciate, brother.
Yeah. So, brother, as internet connection is unstable, I think internet connection is poor here. Okay, so
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
before starting the OOP in Python. Okay,
yeah,
some parts are there to understand. Is very very important to understand
yeah.
those things. Okay. So
Yes, I understand.
first,
I get the thing.
yeah, first of all, both of us has understood about the variables, the basic concepts. Okay,
Yeah,
but before understanding about the OOPS concept in Python, we need to understand about the function.
okay.
Yeah, so already I have told you there are two types function, user defined function and another is inbuilt function. Okay, brother?
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, just wait. Uh, mm, you said user input function
Yeah.
and the built-in.
Built-in function.
Yeah.
And brother, one more thing we have to understand. Uh, what should I say, brother? That is that.
Sorry. The user input functions are those ones that I was doing before, no?
Yeah, input, brother. Input function is inbuilt function in Python. Okay,
Yeah.
but also we have to understand. I mean, both of us we both of us have to understand about the user defined function and how user defined function works in Python. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will give you three, four class for user defined function, and there both of us will write the program for user defined function and execute the program, and then switch for oops concept. Okay.
Okay. You said you're gonna give me three. I mean four.
Three, four classes for user defined,
Okay.
yeah, for user defined function and for magic method.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. These are the example of user-defined functions, ne?
Yeah, yeah. So I will make you understandable. How will you understand user-defined function? How will you create and how will you use in Python programming language?
Okay. For user-defined functions. Okay. Yeah. You're starting number one, eh?
Yeah, starting number one. So we'll also understand about the magic method because magic method are used in OOPS concept. So both of us need to both of us need to understand about the magic method.
Okay. This magic method is under the user-defined function.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the first class
Yeah.
under user.
Yeah, yeah.
You said magic method.
Yeah, magic method.
Okay. Mm, yeah.
Brother, are you on the shop in South Africa?
Yes, I'm in my. Yeah.
Okay, brother.
I'm writing here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, magic. Yeah, magic method.
Yeah. So, brother, class will be going on for 10 days, and the basic things both of us will understand about the user defined function and magic method, and also will understand about the special method which are which are used in ops concept. So both of us need to understand those things whatever comes into the ops concepts.
Okay. Okay. So now we're on number one, which is magic.
Yeah,
Magic method.
yeah. Keep patience for right now. Only you have to write those topics, and later both of us will understand one by one. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So okay. Okay. You're gonna explain later for magic method.
Yeah, brother. Once
Oh,
both of us will get familiar with the magic method in Python,
okay.
then oops concept will be easy for both of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the second one is what?
Second one is magic method.
No, I wrote the magic method as the first one,
Yeah,
magic,
yeah. S-
because you said four. You said there are four.
yeah, but
You said which magic
yeah,
method?
only two things. Third topic is a for loop.
You said it's
For loop.
you said there are four.
For loop.
Four.
For loop.
The sec, the second one.
Yeah.
What is the spelling? Four.
Yeah, I'm chat. I'm giving in chat. Write like this. For loop.
Or four as a number or
Yeah, for loop. See message.
okay. Okay. Or four loop. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the number. This is the second one, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I got it. I wrote it.
Yeah. Second is user defined function, and third is magic method. Yeah.
Um. Um. You said it. These ones are the functions under input functions or
Input function is inbuilt function, and we'll also discuss in a detailed way about the inbuilt function and user defined functions. Okay. So keep patience. Only you have to write here for loop, user defined function, and magic method.
okay. So this one magic method for loop.
Yeah.
These ones they follow the user defined function
Yeah.
because you said there are four functions.
Yeah.
There are four. Okay. So the third one is what? The the third the third method is what? The third one.
Yeah, magic method is built in a special method where both of us will use in oops concept. Whenever we'll write the program, at that time both of us will use the magic method.
Okay. This magic method is used for data time.
Yeah, for oops concept.
Okay. So yeah, just give me only two, uh, because you said there are four.
Yeah,
There are four user-defined functions. So you give me two on the magic method and for loop. So what are other two?
That's it.
Or we just focus on the
Yeah. That's it. Only three topics are there to focus on that.
method and for loop only two.
Yeah. So and third topic is functions.
Okay, so this one, so they are under user-defined functions.
Yeah.